Morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to go over our daily what's sold. These are actually the cards that sold over the weekend, February 5th and 6th, Saturday and Sunday. As you can see on the screen on eBay, I had 45 orders for $404 on the dot. And I had 2 orders on Hip, and they totaled about $41. So 47 orders, $445. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is Eastport, Maine. Is it Quody? Quowdy, whatever. Quowdy. Village from Rice's Hill. Real photo. That smudged line right there is actually not on the postcard. Something on my scanner lens. I believe, yeah, this came from the York Postcard Show. Paid about 80 cents for that card. Gives us an old military installation. Next, banner dual view greetings from New York City. There's that. Next, same buyer bought this large letter greetings from New York City, vintage linen. Multi-view, $6.99, and they also bought this large letter greetings from New York City for $6.99, also a multi-view. Next, Keene, New Hampshire, snowstorm, colorful Main Street, circa 1950s. Lovely dirty snow. And that one for $5.99. Is it Daphne, Alabama, Malbus Hotel Court, circa 1950s. There's that, and that went for $5.99. Next, this is Conneaut Lake Park, Land of Enchantment, Fairyland Forest. Amusement park up in Conneaut Lake. And that went for $6.50. Miami, Eastern Airlines, airplane over city, circa 1930s, vintage linen. There's that. This did not come from the airplane lot I just bought. Slowly listing that stuff. Had a couple sales, and I'll cover all that sometime in a future video. This went for $8. Savannah, Georgia, 1910 view, Bull Street, Doric obelisk to green. I just took all that information right there off the back. $7.99 for that card. Marion, North Dakota, Church Merry Christmas card, 1908. There's that card. And that went for $8.75. Next, Valentine's. To My Valentine, Spain, boy, guitar player, girl, dancer. Kind of rough condition. Some corner wear, $5 best offer. Next, Valentine's. To My Valentine's, girls, face in flower, Cupid. That's a weird looking Cupid. And that went for $6. And next we have Valentine's. I think all three of those went to the same person. Greeting, cashier wanted, boy putting change in sock. And that went for $4. Native Americana, or Native American Indian Zuni children. I'd guess Arizona or New York. Okay. $8 best offer on that card. Barnesboro, Pennsylvania, vintage linen greetings from Barnesboro. There is a river near Barnesboro, but it's not that wide. And it's a very small town, Pennsylvania, and this is going out to Michigan, I believe. Wisconsin, this is Green Bay, interior, dance floor, new Riverside Ballroom. And $15.99 for that card. Middle Falls, Letchworth Park, New York. $6.99 for this one. Next, Gaylord, Michigan, Sable Lodge Canoe Along Season Chuck Wagon Picnic. Jeez, mouthful. Canoe Along Season. Okay, $7.50 for that postcard. This is Wayland, New York. Scenic greetings from Wayland, New York. Linen. Very, very generic view. $7.95. This is Boys Springs, California. Sonoma Mission Inn, Sonoma County, California. It's a real photo. Has some old tape stuck across the top. $9.99 for that card. This is South Dakota, Black Hills, roaming donkeys feeding from 1960s car. Might be 50s, I'm not sure. And that one for $8.19. Springfield, Massachusetts, Main Street. This is an old one. Just tell by my listing, and there's only one picture. So that's 10 plus years old, listed on eBay. $6.99 for that card. This is Dallas, Texas, Cliff Towers Hotel from Lake Cliffs. Another old card, probably 8 plus years old, on eBay, that is. $6.99 for that card. This is Patriotic Abraham Lincoln Birth Centennial Portrait Rail Splitter. There's Abe. There's the back, and it's sold for $9.99. World War I era military humor. Our elbows don't get rusty. Artist signed wall is Bernhardt Wall. And that went for $5.99. Next we have Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Paxson Fire Station number 6. Fire department. I've told this before. I have probably hundreds of copies of this card, along with the other 68 or so that came with this series. $4.99. Next, Bedford, Pennsylvania, Penn Manor Motel swimming pool. Sold this one a couple times. $4.99 for that card. This is Ellis Island, New York, novelty embossed copper card, and copper card spelled the way copper card's supposed to be spelled. The copper card is with a K. It's, I guess, the brand name. These are, a novelty postcard, probably from the 50s or 60s, and it's pretty much an embossed sheet of copper that they put a postcard back into. You can unfold this if you wish and take that piece of paper out. I think I paid $1/4 for this, and $13.99. Took a while to sell. This is Bainbridge, Georgia, or Bainbridge. Seen on Flint River, 1940s linen. $3.99 for that card. Next, Oklahoma, largest oil gusher, 50,000 barrels oil a day, oil derrick. Oil derricks always sell very well, especially the real photo ones. $6.99 for that card. Biglerville, Pennsylvania, St. Paul's Lutheran Church interior. Looks like a real photo, but it's one of those 1940s-ish black and white cars. Looks like there's some water staining on it. $5.99 for that card. Next, Essex County, New Jersey, Newark Airport Terminal Building, number 2. I guess I have 2 of these. The other one's, I think, an interior shot. $5.99 for that card. Large letter greetings from Cape Charles, Virginia, linen. A nice big crease in it. $5, best offer. Martinsburg, West Virginia, entrance plant interwoven mills, vintage linen. They turned these into outlets in the 80s, which shut down in about 15 years later. $5 on a best offer. This is Illinois Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Sailors Barracks, boot camp. $6. Berkeley Springs, West Virginia. Almong's Restaurant, 1950s roadside diner. There's that. Country ham is their specialty, $4. Birmingham, Alabama. Sloss Pig Iron Blast Furnace, 1905. There's that. $7.99. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Frick Building Street View, 1905. This is actually going to Germany or Italy. One of those two. Germany or Italy is where that card's going. $8.99 for that Pittsburgh Street View. Sanibel Cativa Island, Florida. Blind Pass Bridge, 1950s. And that's $9.99. Port Monmouth, New Jersey. Fishing boats at anchor, 1950s. And that sold for $6.99. This is Ontario, Canada. Hanlan's Point, Toronto Island Swimming near Wood Bridge. This came in the postcard auction I bought a whole bunch of cards from in August of 2021. Have 19 copies of this, put 10 up, and one buyer who has the same last name as Hanlan's bought all 10 copies. So a nice $25 sale there. Camp Dix, New Jersey. Life, World War I soldier. I probably could have gotten rid of one of those World War I's. Actually World War I numeral and World War I letter. Soldiers hurdling the stick, YMCA card. There's the YMCA moniker thing. $11.79 for that card. University, Pittsburgh, Shenley Farm District, Carnegie Tech. There's that. 1930s. $7.99. Next, another Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Pony Drive, Westview Park, North Side. $7.99. And I think same buyer bought another one, or maybe not. 1989 Postcard Week, Patriotic, Uncle Sam, Santa Claus Riding Reindeer. I've shown this one several times. They keep selling. $2.99. Probably had another 30 copies of that. This is Royal Coach. It's Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, 10-inch promotional bus banks. Now I'm wondering if the person who buys this is expecting 4 little bus banks. It'll be interesting, even though it's postcard, and some eBayers aren't the brightest. Just saying it. $5.99 for that. It'd be interesting if I get that back. It's not as described. This is Detroit, Michigan, Pharmacological. There's no L in there. Pharmaceutical. Manufacturing, Park Davis Company Plant, $9.99. This one is also going overseas. This might be the Italy card. 1909 Military Academy, Cadets near Holland, Michigan. Real photo. I couldn't find where this is. I'm not sure if that's an FMA, some type of military academy. I could not find what that is. So that's why I just said near Holland, Michigan. So I don't know. Anyway, it sold for $12.99. Came in the dealer buyout from April of 19. This is these are hip postcard orders. The two I had over there. Bernie, Montana. View of Bones Brothers Ranch. Real photo. There's that. Sold for $25.99. And then the last card on hip. This is Marlboro, New Hampshire. Home, Dr. W.H. Aldridge. Real photo. There's that. And that went for $14.99. So for the weekend, pretty darn good. $4.45 on 47 orders. I think that's it for the day. Thank you for watching.